Is fish fertilizer an eco-fertilizer? If you use it, are you doing something good for the environment? I always thought that fish fertilizer was a pretty good choice. After all, they make it from leftover fish material, right? You know, the guts, the head, the skin, the bones, all of that gets ground up and we make fish fertilizer. That seems to be a good use of a waste product. Now, the price is ridiculously high for fish fertilizer compared to other fertilizers, but at least we're making use of a waste product. But is that really true? A post a couple years ago on my blog made me rethink the whole business of fish fertilizer. And the reason is that some products are made from whole fish that we purposely go out and catch. That's not good for the environment. Fish fertilizer is made from two different types of ingredients, either fish waste, including guts, bones, and heads, or whole fish caught specifically for the purpose. A fish called menhaden is harvested, ground up, and processed to make fish fertilizer. In a documented letter from Alaska Fish, a leader in supplying fish fertilizer, they confirmed that almost all of their fertilizer is made from whole menhaden fish. Ironically, this company, Alaska Fish, obtains its raw fish material from the Atlantic and Caribbean Ocean. So why is this a concern? After all, these fish are considered useless, right? Wrong. Menhaden may not be used for human consumption, but they are an invaluable prey species for many predatory fish, such as striped bass, bluefish, mackerel, flounder, tuna, drumfish, and sharks. They are also a very important food source for many birds, including egrets, ospreys, seagulls, northern gannets, pelicans, and herons. By harvesting the menhaden and turning it into fertilizer, companies are removing an important food source for other species, causing damage to the environment. The letter from Alaska Fish Fertilizer goes on to say that they use just 20 rail cars per year of the fish soluble. One rail car is approximately 20,000 gallons. The company supplying this, the Patahaney Corporation, can manufacture about 20 rail cars per day. The rest of their production is used for animal feed and pet food. So it would be incorrect to say that the manufacture of fish fertilizer is responsible for depleting stocks of menhaden. However, they are certainly contributing to the problem. It has been clear for many years that fish stocks in our oceans are dwindling. It is no longer a renewable resource. Which brands use whole fish? I checked a number of brands, and it was never easy to tell which brands use whole fish. They like to use terms like fresh fish, as if that is important when you are making fertilizer. Whole fish are processed into three separate components: fish meal, fish oil, and fish emulsion. Fish emulsion is what is left after the meal, and oil have been removed. Based on this definition, you might conclude that any fish fertilizer made from fish emulsion is made from whole fish, but advertisers have a different point of view. I guess fish emulsion has become popular and is seen as a good thing. I found several manufacturers that promote their product as fish emulsion, but in small print, they say it's made from fish remains or fish viscera. The term emulsion is not a reliable term for determining the source of the fish. What about fish fertilizers made from invasive species such as carp? Companies are catching these and using them as a source for making fertilizer. This is a good practice and should be encouraged. I found such companies in both the United States and Australia. So is fish fertilizer an organic product? Well, some people think it is because it's made from fish, and fish are organic. Organic certification organizations also agree. It's organic, and much of the fish fertilizer you can buy is marked certified organic. But I think organic needs to stand for much more than just a stamp. When we're going out and collecting fish just to make fertilizer, that's not an organic process. Now, feel free to use fish fertilizer. There's nothing wrong with it. But just do one thing for me. Make sure that the product you use is made from waste fish material, not live fish. Now, I mentioned earlier that fish fertilizer is really expensive. And if you don't understand that, have a look at this video right here. And if you're wondering what is the right amount of fertilizer to use, and this can be any fertilizer, not just fish fertilizer, have a look at this video here. Happy gardening.